Tired of messy backgrounds ruining your professional image? Learn how to blur your background in Webex in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Sign in, start a meeting, and apply the blur effect from the video settings. So here's the thing. You've got a stack of laundry behind you, or maybe your kids left a disaster in the living room, and you need to hop on a call right now. In my experience, this is one of the fastest fixes in any video conferencing tool, and Webex makes it surprisingly easy once you know where to look. First, open Webex and sign into your account. This part is straightforward. Just use your usual login credentials. If you're on the desktop app or the web version, it works basically the same way. Now, start a new meeting or join one that's already scheduled. You don't have to wait for anyone else to show up either. You can do this even if you're the only person in the room, which is perfect for setting everything up ahead of time. If your camera is off, click the Start Video button to turn it on. You need your camera active before you can blur anything. And here's a little tip from experience. Make sure your camera isn't covered by a privacy shutter or tape before you panic. I've seen that happen more than once. All right, now we get to the good part. Look at the bottom toolbar and find the little video drop-down arrow right next to the Stop Video button. Click that tiny arrow, not the button itself. That's where the magic is hiding. In the menu that pops up, you're going to look for a section called Virtual Background. It might be near the top or in the middle depending on your version of Webex, but it's always there. This is where Webex gives you options like custom images or the blur effect. Click the Blur option. It usually looks like a little circle with a soft edge or a person icon. Once you click it, give Webex a few seconds to process the effect. This might take a moment to process, especially if your computer is running a bit slow or if your lighting isn't great. Now check your camera preview. You should see that everything behind you turned into a smooth, soft blur, while you stay sharp and clear. If your background looks a little choppy, or you can still see details behind you, that's usually a lighting issue, but we'll get to that in a moment. Close the background settings menu by clicking anywhere outside of it, or clicking the X if there is one. You don't need to save anything. Webex applies it automatically. Your background should now be blurred successfully. You can test it by moving around a little in your chair to see if the blur holds steady. In my experience, it works best when you have consistent lighting on your face and a fairly plain background behind you, even if that background is just a blank wall. If the blur isn't working, use a quick troubleshoot. First, double-check that your camera is actually on. Sometimes Webex turns it off when you're adjusting settings. If that doesn't work, leave the meeting and start a new one. It usually resets the video engine and clears up any glitches. And if you're still stuck, check your camera settings in your operating system to make sure no other app is monopolizing your webcam. For the best results, here are a few tried and true tips. Sit facing a window or a lamp so your face is well lit. Avoid sitting with a bright window behind you. It confuses the blur effect and makes you look like a silhouette. And if you're wearing glasses, try tilting your head slightly to reduce glare, since reflections can sometimes trick the camera. And that's it. You've gone from cluttered and distracting to clean and professional in under 30 seconds. Now you can focus on the conversation instead of worrying about what's behind you. If this helped, click around and check out some of the other tutorials on the channel. Happy blurring!